Hello. This is a real quick video for my CIS 1605 course. In our first class, we talked about buying the Pico kits. That's the microcontroller kits. There's some links in the assignment for that. However, there is another option for those that want to have maybe a more comprehensive kit or something that has more things to do and is a little bit more complicated in the long run. It's really simple the way they've set it up, but there's more to it, right? So if you want a kit that has more things in it, that has more opportunity to learn additional items, I wanted to share one of these kits with you real quick. It's this PicoBricks. So this is my copy of this, but PicoBricks is a kit that has this has the Pico, right? And then it's got a whole bunch of extra sensors, right? So it's got motor drivers, so you can run them. You can build, with this kit, you can build a robot. There's an OLED screen, right? So RGBs. And this is also, it uses, if you can, it's hard to see it, but there are little 4-pin connectors, right? So then a lot of the single wire wiring goes away. It has a bunch of really cool stuff to it, but I wanted to share this with you. This is the kit itself, so you can kind of see how it looks, but it's really cool. And I've actually, here's one of my Pico W's, right, with the headers on it. I put it on this device, but this, like, there's a motor driver, and then as it's built, right, without it being broken apart, you can break this apart. Let me see if I can pull this out. So it's a big circuit board. So without it being broken apart, you can address all of these things from the Pico without any wiring at all. And then if you wanted to, build out a project, you could actually break these things out of this and then connect them with the wires. So this kit will have enough components for us to do the basic setup that we're doing for class. And then it also has some additional pieces and parts that you could use for your final project. I have a kit that's called the Zero to Hero kit, and it comes with a whole bunch of extra things, right? There's instructions on how to do all of this. There's stuff that you don't see over here, like there's like a robotics kit. In fact, it's got everything: the platform, the motors, everything that you need to build a robot is there. It's got the connectors, there's servo motors that you can run. This is a flammable gas and smoke sensor. There's an IR sensor and an IR remote. There's this is a pan tilt zoom, so you can hook the camera up and do a pan tilt zoom camera. Another servo motor. Oh, this is cool too. This is an RFID module, so you can actually, with a key fob, so you can build an RFID entry system with this kit. Right, so a little breadboard. This one has, this is a PIR motion sensor. There's a pump, right? So if you wanted to build this, like a greenhouse kind of a thing to do pump water. I don't know what this one is. Oh, this is the stand for the Pico kit. The connectors that you need. There's some tubing for the pump, battery pack, a DC motor. That's a battery pack as well. This one's a moisture sensor, soil moisture sensor. You plug it into the moisture or the ground, and it'll tell you the moisture levels. There's an ultrasonic sensor, and then there's actually a little baby greenhouse that you can build. So it's got the platform for a baby greenhouse built into it with the actual covers and everything. So. And that's a sound sensor. So this kit is really awesome. It's significantly more expensive than the $40 kits that we've been talking about. Here's a Bluetooth module. So if you want to add Bluetooth to your project, that's in it too. So this is a kit for those that want to really kind of push the limit, that want to have kind of the coolest, the latest, the greatest kind of thing. I love this kit. They have lots of really good examples. They actually show you how to do this in C. There's tutorials for everything in C, Python, and I want to say, a block language. But that's the kit itself. I just wanted to share that with you. The kit can be found on Amazon. There's a base kit, right, which is going to include just real basic things. It's going to include the board itself, and then it's going to include like the IR receiver, battery holder, a couple other handful of things. But it's basically what you see in that board there. There's also the IoT Expert Kit. IoT Expert Kit's going to add so the DC motor and propeller, the gas sensor, the pump, a couple servos, the PIR sensor, the soil moisture sensor, and the Bluetooth, right? So that's $84. Oh, it also has the little greenhouse. You can see the greenhouse there. And then the Zero to Hero kit is going to include all the robot platform, the pan tilt zoom platform, and all of the other, oh, and the RFID. So those are going to be the biggest differences between those products. But I will share a link on the attachment for this announcement to get to this if you are interested in buying a more robust Pico solution. It's not required, but I wanted to share it because there's always a couple of folks that really want to kind of grab on to like building some really cool stuff and having all of the pieces and parts available to themselves. So this kit is amazing. I love it. I use it all the time, and I think it would be really good for those that want to, I don't know, kind of have a more robust solution. Looks like there's also a 15% off coupon right now. So if you're on Amazon or use Amazon, you can use that 15% off to save some more cash. So the Zero to Hero kit's $105. Right, so it's 13% off already. So it's normally $120, and then another 15% off for that. I don't know what the terms are of that, but just so you know. All right, hope this helps. If you have any questions, post it in the MS Teams chat, and we'll go from there.